Hey guys, welcome back to Charm's Lifestyle channel. Today I'm here with my friend Anita. We are doing this vlog together. So this is something new for you. So me and Anita, we will be taking coffee together. So I just decided to bring it on camera because she does not have a problem. So here we are. So stay tuned for more. So guys, we are having our coffee. I'm having cappuccino and cream coffee. Yeah.
Very nice one. Beautiful.
Guys, do you know how long I pray for a moment like this? Because I don't have friends here. I don't have friends here. And I've prayed to find friends here where we can go out together, have a coffee. And look at me now, it is happening. So guys, ask for what you want. It is all possible. It's a magic moment for me, and it's a magic moment for her. Anita speaks English. She speaks French. And what kind of language do you speak?
A little Italian.
And she speaks a little Italian and Spanish too. So you see guys, I'm in the right hand. You don't think so? Yeah. I'm in the right hand.
Those are lost here right now.
You can talk to my camera and tell them anything you want to tell them.
First time, I'm very, very happy and I found here a good friend one from Jamaica. It was a dream for me to visit Jamaica too, but in the future, why not? And we are happy because we have this seashore, very, very relaxed, and we enjoy nothing.
So guys,
A big kiss.
a big kiss indeed. I am happy to find her and have her as my friend. Do you want to know how I met her? I started a new class, of course, French class, and that's where I met her. Yeah, and here we are together having a coffee, and we have a lot more of this to come, guys. A lot more of this is in the make, and I hope you all enjoy this video. So just relax, and whatever you get on this video, enjoy it, because I will be giving you a secret too, okay? So stay tuned. What's your phone number? Hello. Here we go. So guys, we are going home now. We went to class. We came and we have coffee together. Now we are heading back home because my lovely friend here is going to work. So we gotta go so she can reach work on time. So guys, you see, look at her, she's beautiful, ain't she? That's my friend Anita. Anita or Anita?
Anita.
Anita. I pronounced correctly, didn't I?
Yeah, it's hearing my name. Chanel.
So guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think of my friend Annette? She's a very jovial person, kind, and very good friend, okay? And I'm so happy to meet her. Now, I have someone who I can hang out with at times, have a coffee together, you know, and we have more upcoming events for you. So stay tuned. So guys, we have come to the end of our video. So if you like this video, tell them to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Mwah.
You tell them.
Okay.
Like, comment, subscribe,
subscribe,
and share
and share
to Charms Lifestyle Channel.
Charms
Lifestyle
channels.
See you in our next video.
Begin.
Everyone.